Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the auto measuring mode on the Flip application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the More button at the lower right corner of the screen and click to the Settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Here go to the fifth option, the General Settings, and here you can find the first option, the Auto Measuring Mode. And if you want to enable, just click to the next white circle and click to the Save button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.